As you know, if choti ye is after a consonant, uh, it works as a vowel sound e, e, as like double e in field. So if choti ye is after a consonant, the vowel sound e is added to it. But in some words of Arabic origin, you find khada zabar or choti ye, khada zabar. As you know, zabar is always slanted, but here it is in the standing position, so it is called khada zabar. Khada in Urdu khada means standing, so it is standing zabar, that is khada zabar. When khada zabar is over alif, it sounds as a in English word father, father. So if ye and khada zabar is after a consonant, the vowel sound a is added to it. So we will see some words where this ye and khada alif is used. Laila. This word will be pronounced as Laila. It won't be pronounced as Laili, because there is khada alif over choti la, so it will be pronounced as Laila, and not Laili. Laila. Laila is a legendary character of a love story. Laila. Istefa. It will not be pronounced as istefi, because there is khada zabar or alif. So istefa. Istefa means resignation. Istefa, resignation. Fatwa. It will be pronounced as fatwa. Fatwa is a legal ruling by an Islamic scholar. Fatwa. Ala. It is not Ali, it is Ala. Ala means greatest. As you know, Wazir Ala, and it means chief minister. Wazir Ala is a term for chief minister. Ala means greatest. Isa. Jesus. Isa is a word for Jesus. Isa. Musa. Is a word for Moses. Musa, Prophet Moses. Musa. Shura means council. Shura. Adna, inferior. Soghra, smallest. Mustasna, exempted. Toghra is a plaque written in ornate style. Togra, a plaque written in ornate style. Ta'ala, exalted. Ta'ala, exalted. It is generally used with Allah. Allah Ta'ala. Allah Ta'ala. Ta'ala, exalted. Ta'ala, exalted. Mualla. Mualla also means exalted. Mualla. Mualla, exalted. You must have heard the word Urdu Mualla. Means Urdu as it was spoken in courts, in Mughal courts. It was called Urdu Mualla. Mualla means exalted. Mualla. Muqawwa. Muqawwa, strengthened, reinforced. Muqawwa, strengthened, reinforced. Muqawwa ghidha means nutritious food. Muqawwa ghidha, nutritious food. Muqawwa, strengthened, reinforced. Muqaffa. Muqaffa, rhymed. Muqaffa, rhymed. Muqaffa, rhymed. Dawa, claim. Dawa, claim. Dawa, claim. Aqsa. Aqsa, farther, extreme. Aqsa, farther, extreme. Extreme. Wasta, middle, central. Wasta, middle, central. Mashriqi Wasta is Middle East. Wasta, middle, central. Uzma. Uzma, greatest, biggest. Uzma, greatest, biggest. Adalat-e Uzma. Adalat-e Uzma means greatest court, biggest court, that is Supreme Court. Adalat-e Uzma is used for Supreme Court. Uzma, greatest, biggest. Uzma, greatest, biggest.